show you how to do an emergency rappel with no harness or no carabiner. You've only got a rope. Take the rope, you double it around a tree. I believe this is called the South African Emergency Rappel. What you do is you go around behind you, bring it around on one side, whatever dominant hand you want. Just like this. And then you'll very slowly go down. You'll want to use this on a very medium incline or a slope. You wouldn't want to rappel with this because this right here is digging into me. I'll go down to my waist with the rope. That doesn't make it any easier. And you can kind of sort of control how fast you go by feeding the rope with your hand. That's one method. Another method is to step over the rope, bring it between your legs, around whichever your dominant hand is on, bring it across your body and around your head. And you want to hold on with the rope with your left hand and kind of feed with your right. This is very uncomfortable, so I don't know if I'd want to do this at all. It would work in an emergency. But in all honesty, I hope I never have to use either one of these techniques. They're very uncomfortable.